Want to learn how to move the camera in Blender? It's easy, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's get right into it. First, make sure you're in object mode, and select the camera in your scene. You can do this by either clicking on it directly in the 3D viewport, or selecting it from the outliner on the right-hand side of your screen. Once the camera is selected, you're ready to move it. To move the camera, you can use the standard transformation tools. Press G on your keyboard to grab the camera, then move your mouse to reposition it freely. Left-click to confirm the new position. If you want more control, press G, followed by X, Y, or Z to lock the movement to a specific axis. For precise rotations, press R to rotate the camera. Just like with the movement, you can lock the rotation to an axis by pressing R followed by X, Y, or Z. To get a live view from the camera's perspective, press numpad 0. This switches the viewports to the camera view, so you can easily see what the camera sees. If you don't have a numpad, you can enable Emulate Numpad in the settings. Go to Edit, Preferences, Input, and check the box for Emulate Numpad. If you'd like to adjust the camera while staying in its view, press N to open the side panel. Then check the Lock Camera to View option under the View tab. Now you can move, zoom, and rotate the camera as you're navigating the viewport. Just use your mouse or trackpad, and when you're done, uncheck the option to lock the camera back in place. That's it. You've now learned how to move, rotate, and fine-tune your camera in Blender. I hope this video helps.